Look all around.
Pearson, aren't you gonna look?
I found Joseph's.
Oh.
Oh. I really wanted this one. I see something you want also.
Wow,
Look over
that's a
here.
big basket.
Wow. Cool, Piercy. Do you need help?
Oh, you got a book.
Yeah.
What? You got orange ones too?
Yes.
Wow.
I think that this has more than the other
It
one.
does, for sure.
Look.
You want to go help Jackson?
Maybe she doesn't have a lot. Yeah, it's so shocking.
Oh boy.
Listen, look, I saw Shopkins in yours. 2 Shopkins. Can I see what's in mine? Where's mine? Look, I see.
Keep looking everywhere, honey.
Hey, Mom, look like this. Look here. Don't look here.
Keep looking, buddy.
Here's some nice
Oh,
stuff.
there's more books in here. I don't know. Maybe.
Oh,
Bathroom is
here.
somewhere.
Hey, Mom. Oh, look here. Can you help me open this? 2 seconds.
Did you look well?
Yeah.
Keep looking. Turn the lights on.
What are they called?
Jackson,
What?
where are you going?
Hey, Mom. can
That's
you
a big
open-
closet in there, Jackson. You didn't even turn the lights on in there. Where else can we look?
I got look, Dad.
Do you want to take a peek out in the garage?
Nice. And I got look. I think we got milk. What's that? Now look, I even got a new blankie.
No,
that's the
t-shirt.
shirt.
Superhero shirt. Awesome.
No, maybe it's in the bathroom. I can't find it in the bathroom. Maybe I didn't get one.
Did you look in the closets?
What? Oh yeah, I know. No, not there. Nope, not there. I hope it's here. Not in here.
I think. Let's go turn the lights on in Gigi and Papa's closet and look there, and then if not, we'll go out in the garage.
We'll go up.
Sorry, Daddy.
Oh, lights.
I found it.
Oh,
Yay! You didn't look
wow!
very
Look at
well
that haul.
before, right?
Wow.
Finally.
Cool, bud.
I got a giant.
Wow.
Yes.
Shocking.
Where's those shopping?
I got that for you, Dad.
There sure is.
Egg.
They were wondering where they went.
Easter, honey.